Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: if you delete Google Photos app, will you lose your photos? So, firstly, let me open Google Photos at my phone. And right here, as you can see, I have some photos here. And also, if I click at the profile icon, you can see that my backup turned on. So, amazing. Now, let's remove this application. Okay, I just did it. And on the browser, we can check our account. So, let me open my browser. Then I should write Google Photos. Then sign in into your account. Also, make sure that you use your correct account. This one is my current account, so I need to swap. And as you can see, I still have these photos and videos. So my short answer is no, you lose nothing. If you backup, of course. So make sure that you enable backup before you remove this application from the phone, but maybe your photos and videos already back up. So you need to check the browser, or you can install this application again, or use another platform like Android. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.